In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. My name is Abdul Basit, and you are watching Royce TV. I hope you are all good. So, viewers, I would like to discuss about Independence Day. So, our country Pakistan independence on 14 August 1947. Alhamdulillah. After that, our elders gave a lots of sacrifice and struggle, due to which, Alhamdulillah, today we are living independence country. Alhamdulillah. So, my question to all of you: are we valuing sacrifice our elders gave? Are we valuing struggle and freedom? Answer no. But why? Why answer is no? Kindly guys, I am requesting to all of you, we should that value as freedom. Otherwise, this freedom will be taken away from us. So what do we do? Guys, please, I request it to all of you. Please guys, take care your country. Inshallah, Allah will better. Inshallah ta'ala. Please take care of your country, please. So, viewers, if you like this video, so please like and subscribe. So, viewers, if we will take care country, that's so we have to give thanks for the blessing of Allah Almighty. So, viewers, I would like to share boldly. O homeland, we make a new covenant with you. O homeland, we make a covenant with you. What is wealth? They sacrifice their life. What is wealth? They sacrifice their lives. So, viewers, if you like this video, so please like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much, all of you. Allah Hafiz.